I see 2020 as a decisive warning. It is an alarm from the universe. We are left with only two options from here. We either transform our ways of living as a species and move towards sustainability and well being for the planet as a whole, or we take the road to extinction with no future for us and the planet. Every one of you has a role to play in this. So, at the individual level, what is the change you have to bring to your lives in 2021? The way I see it, every person needs to have three elements strongly in their life. It must become a part of you. Then you will be able to navigate through problems, challenges, and uncertainties with ease. The first is to make diligent efforts to evolve in consciousness such that you learn to live free of suffering. The second element is connecting with the universal intelligence. Every one of you must understand that the divine will come to you if you called, not as if it were a transaction between the two of you, but from a space of true heartfelt connection. The third element is to be strongly rooted in a community of people who share a spiritual vision together. If you live with an isolated mind, you will become easily sucked into the vortex of negativity in the human collective consciousness. There is both light and darkness in the human consciousness. There are both beautiful states and destructive suffering states. Which force are you going to tune into is your choice. When you live an isolated life, you are like an individual tree that can be uprooted by a storm. But if you are together with a community of spiritual aspirants who seek enlightenment, then together you hold a strong spiritual vision to live in beautiful states of love, joy, connection, peace, and grow into enlightened beings. Then you are like a cluster of trees that strongly stand as one and fight the storm and win. In these times, you must live connected lives, nurture others, and be nurtured spiritually. It is like the bond between the baby in the womb and the mother. Through the umbilical cord, the baby receives complete and total support from the mother, be it nutrition, protection, education, everything through its connection. That is what your community is to you, like a mother. So enter the new year in a beautiful state. Be sourced in the divine. Live connected lives. Nurture others and let yourselves be nurtured by others spiritually. And together move towards enlightenment. If you move towards an enlightened way of living, every other aspect of your life will come into greater alignment and harmony. Blessings to every one of you for a great new year. Blessings for great health, for great wealth and abundance to flow into your lives, and for you to walk the path of mukti or enlightened way of life. Namaste.